Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for stopping by the channel. You're watching 412 PSE Customs here on YouTube. So today's video comes to us upon a request. We got a request from a viewer to showcase the flash patterns that are available on the Feniex Fusion 400 single color blue. So here we have a single color blue Feniex Fusion 400 utilizing all 180 degree optics. So what we're going to do is I'm going to fire this thing up and we're going to check it out. We're going to go through the patterns. I'll show you the traffic patterns that comes standard on all their stick lights. I will turn the darkening filter on. Here's your left arrow. There is the right arrow. Have the option to change patterns in a center out. So what you would do is just in the programming stage, trigger both your arrow functions, and then just change the pattern as you would normally. Obviously, you can't really see it too well with the forehead stick. If this were a 6 or an 8, you would see it a little bit better. And also keep in mind that, when you program the arrow stick functions, you have to program them individual. So if you have your right arrow going and you're programming, when you trigger the left, All right, folks. So there you have it. That was the requested Feniex Fusion 400 light stick in a single color blue configuration. Showcased all the patterns, went through the arrow patterns. I set it on my favorite unique Feniex pattern. I think this thing stands out. It's a good mixture of patterns, very attention grabbing. So on to the next one. If you guys like this and you'd like to see more videos, like it, please smash that thumbs up button. Lets us know that we're doing something right. Please, we ask that you guys share these videos with your friends, families, coworkers, friends, families, friends, families, everybody. Share it with everybody, because you never know when there's a first responder out there, there's a tow operator out there, there's a construction worker out there, you know, that's been in search of the greatest warning lights on earth to keep them alive while they're out there working. So they'll appreciate the content, our expertise, and the equipment that we offer and the services that we offer. So you never know who that might be. It may not be one of your friends, may not be part of your family, but it could be family of a friend or a friend of a family. So we ask that you guys share our videos, social media feeds, you know, all that. If you haven't subscribed yet, we ask that you do. Click that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of our uploads. We don't necessarily upload on a consistent basis due to just scheduling, and you know, it really depends on how busy we are in the shop. It really depends on how busy I am. You know, we're looking to kind of change that and get something together where we are doing consistent uploads, but until then, that's definitely not the case. Please be kind to one another out there. Let's get the hashtag, hashtag be the kind kid. Try to get that viral. Be kind to one another out there. It's contagious. Our world really needs it. Yeah, until next time, be safe out there, guys.